Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 2024 Mclaren GTS. This casting is by Matchbox Moving Parts and it's new for 2026. And you might be seeing in the background that it has got an opening rear hatch. So before wasting your time, let's open it up and see how does it look. Before we deep dive into it, let's have a quick look at the casting. So here's the 2024 Mclaren GTS out of its box, and the first thing you will notice is this purple paint. And I think, I'm not sure, Matchbox with Hot Wheels did some of McLaren's in this same paint. And it kind of suits McLaren, I don't know why. Not a lot of cars can pull off purple paint, but this one does. Now, I'm gonna start from the front before moving to the rest of the details. So in the front you can see what's up. Details present here. You've got a nicely detailed front end with detailed headlamp, McLaren badge, lower grille which is finished in black, but it's same as the plastic. You've got both the, actually it looks like a single windshield wiper, no mirrors though. I'm not sure if the GTS has cameras or Matchbox intentionally missed those. I'm not sure. Now let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you can see there are the wheels which we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the years. These wheels, multi-spoke black ones, actually doesn't look bad here because of the finish. If it was in chrome or something else, would definitely wouldn't suit this car. Also, you can see the driver's side has the fuel filler. You've got a big intake here for the engine in the back. Apart from that, I don't see any major detail. Yeah, the top half, anything about this door cut line is plastic. It's not metal like the rest of the car. And you do have this black not a running board, what's that called? I will say the body kit. So the black which was present in the splitter in the front continues in the back. Moving to the back, again some nice details here. You can see detailed detailed tail lamp, GTS badge, GTS on the number plate, a stop lamp, twin exhaust, lower grille which has a mesh design into it, which always makes it look good. Going to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler on this side. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see Matchbox has used like a tinted glass or plastic finish on all the top of the vehicle. Now there's more. If you look on the top, there's more air intakes right here, and so on both the fenders. So yeah, there's some air element going on. Now this one comes, since it's a moving part, so it comes with a opening rear hatch. And if you open this, wait, shouldn't there be an engine in there? I'm not sure, not familiar with McLaren. Maybe it's not visible, but you can see the braces there, so it might be under the cover or something. I'm not sure, because you can see the air, like all the intakes, so engine. Yeah, I haven't seen GTS, so I'm not sure, but yeah, it has an opening rear hatch which shows you whatever's underneath there. Overall, I think it's a alright looking casting. I would say not the best of the Matchbox, not the worst either. It's got some good details, could have used some more details in my opinion, but this is what you have. And I think still a nice casting, but given the recent work Matchbox does, I was expecting a bit more than what you see here. But still not a bad casting, still looks good, and new for 2026. So if you like McLaren's, I think this will go great with your other castings. I was just waiting for a more wow factor. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.